da hefo ase ede de efe nkwa na ya de bremo ede de efe nkwa na ya de bremo nti yenko ya papa nche na afi ya ne ya papa nso nkotwetwe nkomo kakra. So welcome back. We are here with our old man. That's my papa. Yes, he's in the cage of the swine. He's sweeping inside, making the inside clean. This man is a very hard worker, and I love him because the way he do his things is very marvelously. Look at the pigs. Yeah, look at the pigs. Yes, look at the pigs. Wow, they are so beautiful. Very, very, very beautiful. Wow. Yes, 5 of them. They are 5 in numbers. So I am here with our old man. Let's begin something. Aja, yamo akwaba. Fine. Eba Ajimbo television so. But on our to say. I hear what bre. I hear what bre pa. We the aja ya to ha no pa iboko. Ya pese ye do call Ajimbo television. You see am no ka say we live on YouTube. Abrochirifu nyina ehwe Britain, America, Europe and Africa, Madagascar ni esia nyina ehwe. Nti no me pa cho say hawa nka bebo udin na afi wa kire wunchi kakra bi na ya hyase mba cho ye fro say papa say ye fre na ya mensa dente aja mpa cho na ufri hen okay me pa cho say wo abusia kakra wo yire wo ma okay mpa cho o ma be say o ma ya mensa papa me pa cho emoi what shall be in fear do say 7 years. Oh wow. Me pacho me busa say emwai say okofo mo ketwa omudi na boso me be yesansa no motumi anyini
roughly 6 months.
6 months. Okay. Enti 6 months no na omammu amia say o ton omo. Oh, okay. Until Tom out to me, I say.
It depends the weight.
Okay.
Your weight, we weigh in kilo.
Okay.
And the kilo no, and I bet you a one price.
Okay. Okay. Until Ben Fion soon ye. Or shall what on the door bear say?
Oh, 50.
Wow. Hey, yeah, Jowiska. No correct. Ntim pacho yen hwe feeding no nso. Feeding no sen na we feeding omo. Twice a meal. Oh, okay. Okay. Na me pacho mo aduane no de na de ma omo. Aduane bay. Okay. Abro and a month tete. Okay. Wow, twice a day. Wow, aja me ba ye. Me hu say as a cage the cry sada anya strong. 7
years me after I replace.
Wow.
7 years yes
Okay. Okay. Wow. Enti say ohwe dwuma ya ye die ya. Empempi no aya ahwefo ehwe ye free outside no. Omutumi ba ebeye aboa adonfo bi mwa kakra ewo Ghana hanom nti me pese me busa me ba ha ma hu se adwuma bebre wo ha e wo se yeye nti ne se obi hwew na se obehia mwa emwa ben sa na ohia free aboafo ho
about 5 bags of cement.
Okay.
Including box.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay.
Some.
Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, sure. Until be here, bear 5 bags of cement. Yes. Plus this plywood, I'll bet me there.
It's not plywood.
Okay. Board.
Like thick.
No, correct. Board. Oh, okay. Okay.
You need a hard
board. Oh, okay. To fix their cage. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Wow. Oh, okay. So as you heard, our papa is saying that he needs a very thick board and also 5 bags of cement that he can fix the cage. Okay, that he can fix the cage. You see, there's a tiny place. The cage is collapsing, as you can witness. So our father needs the public help. He needs the public support. We should come to his aid so that the animals can be increased. Our papa is a hard day worker. He's a hard-working person, and I like him. I like him much, as you can witness. As you can witness. We are wrapping up to bring the show to an end. As I said, yane ya papa din kra no say oma ye bre na one ye ntwetwe nkomo wa biza o klini ebuo no mu enya sa papa de ka obetumi ama ye di nkomo bebre owie so obesan afidi mwa no enti papa me pacho ye da wase bebre se oma ye bre na ye twetwe nkomo Yankopon ya aduma ebesan aba na ya bagi nimde bebre kwan a yebetumi afa so na emoa ye pese ye yen bi a yebetumi ayen nti Ajimbot television ye ma munyina yada munyina ase yada munyina ase se Abuja for sankofa yenchi ya papa nie mepese obebobo no number odi number betu dwa said de be ya se obi pese odum na obefre ni straight na wabedum ye papa be pacha obo din na afi bobo number
yeah man said that 05 35 33 95 27
bacho number bio 05 35 33 95 27 be bacho ya papa number no enti se opese odom na wafre no idamu nyina asinyame onhire obibi